Hello friends, today I will show you how to all files download from cPanel. So first of all, make sure the login the cPanel. This is the cPanel login cPanel interface. So you need to find out the file section, then click on the file manager. Alright, click on the file manager and there in all project folder you will just select all, then uncheck. We'll just select our project folder. Alright, then we can create the compress will be zip file names will be you can change any name, it will be up to you, and compress it will take a little bit time. After compress done, then we will download this zip file. Okay, compress is done and reload here, and this is our zip file. This is our project. Now we can download. First of all, you need to select this file, then click on mouse right side button, then click on the download. It's download started, so no need, we can cancel. So thank you for the watching. Comment on the comment box if you have faced any problem. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.